everyone, my name is Nikita and I'm a final year student of Applied Psychology majors. Today I'm here to talk about something which is very relevant in almost everyone's life, relationships. So, we are interested in relationships because they are important to us, or is there something else? But the important question here is, why do people want relationships? Well, the key idea behind this is needs. People get involved into relationships in order to address their needs. Well, the first set of needs we are talking about are physical needs, like being taken care of or providing me with food and shelter. The other set of needs we can call are psychological needs and interpersonal needs. That refers to needs like security and intimacy, affiliation, and attachment. And then we have our social needs, things like sense of identity, status, and position. Now, to understand what your needs are, you need to understand what is the difference between needs and wants. Need refers to condition required for human life. Well, there is a whole set of needs like oxygen, food, and physical safety, pleasure, comfort, and sense of attachment, intimacy, and other things like sense of identity. Want is simply what we prefer to have. Let's understand this wants and needs with a simple example. Let's, for instance, consider that I want to buy a really good designer handbag so that I can carry it to work. So, here I want to buy a designer handbag so that I can carry it to work. But essentially, apart from a bag that can hold my cell phone and car keys and wallet, what I need is self esteem and achievement. Like, I have earned enough to afford designer handbags, at least now. Other than self esteem and achievement, what I need is self recognition and a sense of affiliation. Like, many of my colleagues have designer handbags, and I want one too. Purchasing a designer handbag may not be a bad way to achieve all these needs. But is it the only way? Now, the question here is, can you think of other ways to achieve all the needs like self esteem, self recognition, and sense of achievement and affiliation? Some other example of this needs versus want would be like, food is need, but what I want is pasta and ice cream. And other things like, what I need is self esteem. But doing makeup, dressing up nicely, and working out is what I want. And similarly, if a person wants to be wealthy and wants to buy property, the need behind this would be security. Now, how many of you are aware of what your needs are? Well, this is the first important question you guys need to ask yourselves. So, what are your needs? Later, I'll be posting an exercise which can help you see how much awareness you have of what your needs are. Thank you and see you in the part 2 of this series, Relationships. Till then, take care and be safe.